Hi, this is Larry Kearney. I'd like to introduce you to a new software called InstaBoost. Now, this is going to help you automatically increase your followers on Instagram. It will follow, it will auto comment, makes comments, post pictures, post videos. It does everything for you from your browser. So it's the ideal software, brand new, never been available before. And the bottom line is, we get 1,000 to 10,000 followers, you're going to increase your income, increase your following. You can really sell in any niche with this software. So check it out today. Click the link below, and you'll be able to see a full demo of how this works. But this is a cutting edge. Uses AI to do all the comments. So it basically, once you set it up, it does everything for you. You don't have to do anything to increase your followers on Instagram, comments, make more money, get more traffic, more targeted traffic. It's Larry Kearney. Make sure you click the link below and get started today. This is a guaranteed way to start making money. It's the same day on Instagram. Okay, I'll see everyone in the next video.